Hello, today we would like to demonstrate how you can block somebody on Telegram. So first of all, open up the chat with the person that you would like to block. Next, tap over here at the user contacts, details page. Tap on these three dots at the top right corner of your display and simply choose the block user. As you can see, it provides you with the confirmation window, where the Telegram is making sure that you really want to block this user or this contact. Just confirm it, and that will mean, as you can see, that this particular user has been successfully blocked. Now, if you want to unblock it, to unblock the user, just tap on this option, and this will mean that the user has been successfully unblocked. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.